2025 Isuzu MU-X is an impressive blend of performance, practicality, and modern design, catering to a wide range of driving needs. Whether you're commuting through busy city streets or heading off-road, the MU-X offers the perfect combination of power, reliability, and comfort. This new model from Isuzu brings together the brand's well-established reputation for durability with modern technologies and luxury features that elevate the driving experience. Under the hood, the 2025 MU-X offers two engine options designed to provide the right balance of power and fuel efficiency. The 1.9-liter turbocharged diesel engine produces 164 horsepower and 360 Nm of torque, making it an ideal choice for those who prioritize fuel economy while still needing solid performance. For drivers who require more power, the 3.0-liter turbo diesel engine comes in with 190 horsepower and 450 Nm of torque, providing a thrilling drive and excellent towing capacity. This engine can push the MU-X from 0 to 100 km/h in just 6.6 seconds and achieves a top speed of around 175 km/h. Despite its power, the MU-X remains fuel efficient, with the 1.9-liter version averaging around 7.4 liters per 100 kilometers. The 2025 MU-X's driving experience is enhanced by its advanced 4WD system, available on select variants. This system allows the vehicle to handle off-road terrains with ease, offering superior traction and stability in challenging conditions like mud, snow, or rocky paths. With impressive ground clearance and a finely tuned suspension system, the MU-X ensures that even the most rugged terrain doesn't pose a challenge, making it the perfect vehicle for adventurous drivers who like to go off the beaten path. Inside, the 2025 MU-X is designed to provide maximum comfort and convenience for all passengers. The cabin is spacious, offering ample legroom and headroom for both front and rear passengers. Whether you're on a long road trip or a short city drive, the interior remains comfortable and accommodating. Premium materials used throughout the cabin provide a luxurious feel, while the intuitive design ensures ease of use. The MU-X also offers a variety of practical storage solutions, including a large center console, door pockets, and under-seat storage, ensuring that you can keep your personal items organized and within easy reach. The vehicle's infotainment system is one of its key highlights. The 9-inch touchscreen comes with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, allowing you to effortlessly connect your smartphone and access your favorite apps. Whether it's navigating, making hands-free calls, or playing music, the system ensures you stay connected and entertained on the road. The MU-X also boasts an 8-speaker sound system, delivering high-quality audio that makes every journey more enjoyable. The interface is user-friendly, with responsive controls that allow you to adjust settings quickly without distraction. Safety is a top priority in the 2025 Isuzu MU-X, and the vehicle is equipped with an array of advanced safety features to ensure peace of mind for both the driver and passengers. These include autonomous emergency braking, which automatically applies the brakes when a potential collision is detected, and lane keep assist, which helps prevent the vehicle from drifting out of its lane unintentionally. The MU-X also includes intelligent adaptive cruise control, which maintains a safe following distance on highways, reducing the need for constant speed adjustments. With 8 airbags and a comprehensive suite of driver assistance systems, the MU-X ensures maximum safety for all occupants. Cargo space is another area where the MU-X excels. The vehicle features a flexible seating arrangement, with third-row seats that can be folded down to increase the available cargo space. This makes the MU-X an ideal option for families or anyone needing to transport larger items. Whether you're loading up for a camping trip or simply need to carry groceries and sports gear, the MU-X offers plenty of room to meet your needs. Additionally, the large windows throughout the cabin provide excellent visibility, further enhancing the overall driving experience. From a design perspective, the 2025 MU-X features a bold, rugged exterior that is sure to turn heads. The front of the vehicle is dominated by a wide, aggressive grille flanked by sharp LED headlights, giving the MU-X a powerful presence on the road. The side profile is characterized by strong wheel arches and sculpted body lines that give the SUV a dynamic look. The rear features redesigned tail lights, adding a modern touch to the vehicle's overall appearance. With these design elements, the MU-X looks just as good on city streets as it does off-road. When it comes to off-road capability, the 2025 Isuzu MU-X delivers excellent performance. The rough terrain mode enhances the vehicle's traction on challenging surfaces, while the rear differential lock ensures optimal power delivery when navigating through difficult landscapes. This makes the MU-X ideal for those who love to explore nature, whether it's crossing streams, climbing hills, or traversing thick mud. With its robust suspension system and high ground clearance, the MU-X is ready for any adventure. In addition to its powerful engine options, the MU-X also offers impressive fuel efficiency. The 1.9-liter engine delivers an excellent balance between performance and economy, making it perfect for long trips or daily commutes. The 3.0-liter engine, while offering more power, still provides a good fuel economy, ensuring you get the most out of every tank. The large fuel tank allows for long-distance driving without frequent stops for refueling, which is especially beneficial on road trips or when traveling through areas with fewer fueling stations. Technology in the 2025 MU-X is designed to enhance both convenience and safety. The vehicle features a keyless entry system, allowing you to unlock and start the vehicle without removing the key from your pocket or bag. The push-button start makes getting on the road even easier, while the available driver assistance features such as blind spot monitoring and rear cross traffic alert help prevent accidents while parking or changing lanes. These technologies work together to create a safer, more user-friendly driving experience. Pricing for the 2025 Isuzu MU-X starts at approximately 13,177,200 Pakistani rupees for the base model in markets like Pakistan. The price can increase depending on the trim level and additional features chosen, such as leather upholstery, advanced infotainment systems, and extra safety technologies. Despite being packed with premium features, the MU-X offers excellent value for money when compared to other SUVs in its segment, offering top-tier capabilities at a competitive price point. The 2025 Isuzu MU-X is expected to be released in mid-2025, with production set to begin in the first quarter of the year. While availability will vary by region, the MU-X is set to make its way to key markets globally, where it is expected to generate significant demand. This model is likely to appeal to a broad audience, from families seeking a reliable, spacious vehicle to adventure enthusiasts in need of a rugged, off-road-ready SUV. In conclusion, the 2025 Isuzu MU-X is a well-rounded, high-performing SUV that ticks all the boxes for both everyday use and off-road exploration. With its powerful engines, impressive safety features, spacious interior, and modern design, the MU-X is set to become a favorite among SUV enthusiasts. Whether you're tackling tough terrain or enjoying a comfortable city drive, the 2025 Isuzu MU-X offers the versatility and reliability you need in a modern SUV.